Give me the best of the Bentley. Yes, I got cake and it's no debate. Paper I chase every day in chase. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Snakes on my back but never on my team. Bitch, I chase a bag.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Glam.Nefercent here, back at it again with a big edit again. And oh, that was so distracting. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Glam.Nefercent here, back at it again with the back edit again, honey. Yes. Let me know if y'all feeling this setting. Let me know what y'all think. So today we are here, okay? We are here for the purses, honey. The bags. How can you get bags on sale? Okay. So guys, it was tax time and I was like, I need some purses. Mama needs a new bag. Mama needs some new shoes. So I was like, let me go ahead and spend this cash, spend this money on some new bags. So I went to Macy's and I was just looking around and I seen that, because I like totes. Now I like bags that I can wear every day, and I like to be able to have some cute, nice size purses for when I go somewhere, or for work or whatever. So I like to take a nice big bag with me to work. I put my uniform, my lunch, my wallet, my girl stuff. My bag is always heavy, honey. So I decided to go and get some new purses. So I went and got this. I'm just gonna hop into things. Before you begin, don't forget to subscribe. Tap that bell to be notified when your girl uploads. If you want details on this hair and this makeup, check the link in the description box and all of that, okay? So guys, this right here, this is the first bag that I got, okay? I got this bag from all of these are Guess bags. This is a Guess haul, okay? I love Guess, don't sleep on Guess. This was from Macy's, it's a nice size, all right? And it's a tote, all right? I love it so much. This is the design on it, all right? And I'm just gonna go in with the description. So this is the Guess Cameron tote, and this is in black and gold, and this was on sale for $58.80. The regular price is $98, and I got it on sale. So I was happy because it's a nice bag. Like, it's very, very sturdy. It's amazing. I'm not gonna show you guys what's in my bag yet. If you guys want a what's in my bag, I will do that so you guys can see everything that's in my bag. It's a lot of stuff that will surprise you, honey. So yes, this is the bag. I love it. This is the inside of the bag, and I freaking love the bag. Like, come on. And then it has a zipper here, and then it also has some more G designing there. So I love it. If you look at it from afar, it would kind of put you like in a Gucci vibe, kind of. So I love it. It's simple, but it's also classy at the same time. So I just had to get my hands on this because I just thought it was bomb. And a lot of people like my bag. They see me in the street and they be like, oh, well, one person on the train said they liked it. And then when I was walking, another lady said she liked it. So I love this bag so much, and that's what I use to go to work with. And I just feel so grown and sexy with it. So I definitely would suggest everybody to go to, go to Macy's, go to Marshall's, like go see what's on sale. Like, I like to shop in the sale section, get bags on sale. So this is Guess again. This is the Guess Cameron tote in coral / gold, and this was, the normal price is $98. I got it on sale for $58.80 also. So as you guys can see, it's very, very, very new. Now I'm gonna take all that off because that's ghetto. But I want you guys to see that it's new. It's a new bag. So I just was obsessed with like the Cameron totes. I really liked how the Cameron totes was looking, and I said, you know what? Let me holler at Cameron because I like the size of the tote. Now I got this color because springtime is coming, and I was like, I don't have a spring bag. Like, what's up with that? So this is a nice keychain. I love that. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that on there or keep it for my keys. So this is designed for the Cameron tote, the second Cameron tote. Love it so much. It's definitely different than the other, but it does have the same Guess logo right there. Think that was bomb too. And then it has a zipper in the back I love this. Now I hope that my jeans or whatever I wear don't rub off on it. If it does, I'm gonna be super, super mad. Here's the stuffing here, and here, and here. That's the stuffing. But this is the inside of the bag. It's empty. I wish they came with some wallets, but it's a nice size bag, you know. I could take this with me to work, or if I want to go to a nice little outing with the girls. Have this on it. Honey, I was so late. I'm so sorry about that. The trains were delayed. My lift was delayed. So this is just so cute. I love it. Like with a nice white top like this. Maybe some jeans and some shoes like this. This color with a jean jacket and my ponytail and a nice lippy. Girl, tip my purse here. I will have the cocktail with the chicken and waffles. Thank you. Thank you. Let me stop. But yes, I love this bag so much, and I was happy that I was able to get both of these on sale. And it's a nice size. Like they both are almost the same size bag. Like they're actually both the same size. Yeah, they're both the same size. Now on the website of Macy's, they say I had to get a thumbnail in. So on the website of Macy's, they both say extra large tote. That's why I got them, because I was looking for the biggest totes you can find. I'm pretty sure there are bigger totes because I have bigger totes. But that's what was on sale and I liked it, so I decided to get it. Also, right now, I'm not sure if they even have any more of these black ones, because when I went on the site just now, I didn't see any more black. I only saw red. So they do have this in a nice, beautiful cherry red, and it's still on sale for $58. So you can go check that out because the regular price is $98. So the last purse that I got, guys, was this purse. Now, I really didn't need this purse, but then I thought about it and I was like, wait, where is my jean one? But I love denim. Like anything denim, you can count on me to have it. You can count on me. Like, count on me, I will be there. Don't be afraid. Please believe me when I say, count on, 'cause I will buy it. Okay, guys, so this is the second purse that I got. This one, y'all tell me if this is cute or not, but it kind of reminds me of like 2005, like snap your fingers, do your step. You can do it all by yourself. Like it reminds me of like high school days, but I got it because it's cute. I can dress it up. I can make it cute. This is it. Okay, this is the bag. All right, so it's a nice little purse. You put oh, I'm gonna take this with me to Florida, probably to Jamaica too. But yes, this is it here. It's Guess, so it's definitely a denim. I love denim, and it's blue and it's pretty. I love the straps. The straps is like a nice how you call it, metallic navy blue, which is so bomb. And this is it right here. Look at it. It says Guess. It has a little pocket right here. I probably would put like a nice little lippy or a chapstick in there. Nothing serious. It has a pocket and it has two pockets. Love it so much. So you can definitely fit a lot of things in here. You can fit a big ass phone. You can fit some lotion. Well, you can fit a lot of more things in there. You can fit a whole bunch of anything in there. It's a nice size purse. It's a nice size purse. I love it so much. So this is, I got this on, this was on sale for $40. I believe the regular price was like $70. Let me go check right now. So this is the Guess Brielle, the Guess Brielle, like Abrielle, but, or Gabrielle, but Brielle crossbody bag. The regular price is $68 and it's marked down for $40. I cannot make this up, okay? So this is in a denim and silver. It only has one. Oh, they actually have a white one, if you guys are interested. And that one is also on sale for $40.80. Might want to go grab these up. So I'm like, hey, I might be a Guess girl because I have Guess perfume too. So I say, hey, I might be a Guess girl. Look how cute this is. This is so freaking cute. I cannot wait to wear this with some a white top. Like, I'm just loving white. I don't know, call me Lisa Ray. But I love it, love it. I love these bags so much, and I'm happy that I got these bags because I need some bags. I need some purses. I think I'm good on purses for a while. But yeah, I love them so much. So let me know what you guys think about this video. Let me know what was the last bag that you got. Where do you shop for bags? Put that all in the description box because I like to go almost all over for bags. Not really all over. I'm not really a I don't really care for the name brands. I don't care for Gucci. I don't care for those type of brands. But I definitely love Guess, and I love Kate Spade, but her bags are too expensive for me, honey. Too expensive. So I get what I can afford. Okay, so these are good enough for me. It has a little nice cute little G on it. You know, cute. You don't have, everything don't have to be a name brand. Like, it does not have to be a name brand. So definitely hit up Marshalls, hit up Macy's, hit up Burlington, and just see what kind of bags they have for you. Just see what kind of bags they have that you may like and stuff like that. So I enjoyed getting these bags, and I'm super happy with my buy. So that's one thing I could say, like, money well spent. So let me know what you guys think. Okay, let me know which one is your favorite. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to love yourself first and keep it glamming. Okay, the makeup I have on today, my lipstick and eyes, are from Fanta Cosmetics. I will leave the link to that video down in the description box. Please go check it out. Show your girl some love, and I love you guys so much. Thank you. Love you guys. Bye.